And we are breaking news right on the top of 5:30 p.m. Now, Kashmiri separatist leader Saeed Ali Shah Gilani was manhandled in a function in the capital. Now, Saeed Shah Gilani manhandled by Bhagat Singh Kranti Dal members. Remember, it's the same group which had manhandled earlier Prashant Bhushan on his comments on Kashmir. Now, Gilani was attacked by Bhagat Kranti Dal members in Delhi. Now, there was a function which was taking place. He was manhandled. A shoe was as well hurled at him. Now, the separatist leader's cap was in fact ripped apart. Shoes were hurled at him by the members of this group. Now, Gilani's assaulters are beaten up by his supporters there. Tejinder Singh Bagga had also attacked, if we remind our viewers, Prashant Bhushan on his comments on Kashmir. And the latest that we are getting in right now is that Gilani was attacked by the same group. Of course, a shoe was hurled at him, his cap was torn, he was manhandled. Let's cut across to my colleague Afir. If you can see the visuals, these are the visuals taking place outside this particular function where Saeed Shah Gilani was present. He was manhandled by this group. Visuals that we are getting in from them. My colleague Afir Khan joins us from the venue where all this transpired. Afir, get us up to speed with the latest breaking news.
Well, according to initial reports, Preeti, we have heard that S.A. Gilani was indicted there for a function for some sort of talk which was happening at the city center in North Delhi. But then there was the whole gang of Tejinder Bagga and his supporters who went there and they heckled Saeed Ali Shah Gilani. Thereafter, there was a lot of disturbance, but when we checked with the police officers, we know that so far there is no complaint in this connection and there is no report so far.
After, of course, this is the same group which had manhandled Prashant Bhushan earlier on his comments on Kashmir.
Well, that's right. This is the same group which had earlier attacked Prashant Bhushan, and he was attacked on the basis of statement he made regarding Kashmir. And again, Saeed Ali Shah Gilani, when he went for this function in North Delhi today, he was heckled by the same group. But then, when we spoke to senior police officers, they say that there's no information about any such incident being taken place at that venue. However, they are looking into this aspect, but there is no formal complaint or case so far.
After very quickly, what kind of action can be taken against this group? Clearly, they have disrupted social proceedings earlier in case of Prashant Bhushan and this time again.
Well, the police has several sections which they can slap on these people, but then they'll have to do it only on the basis of some complaint. Only if they receive some complaint or information, only then can police intervene and take action.